All right, everybody, thank you for your patience and welcome to this live update on the amazing things happening with HubSpot and HubSpot technology, the future of CRM, here live from the show floor at Inbound 22. My name is Doug Wendt. I'm the President and Chief Growth Officer at Wendt Partners. We are a HubSpot elite partner, and we are here bringing you some of the absolutely amazing updates on what's happening with the future of HubSpot and the future of business growth. If there's one thing we've all learned over the last few years, it's that without the right technology and without the right digital strategy for your business, you're not going to go very far. As our firm, we focus on the B2B world and making sure the B2B companies have the tools, strategies, content, and relationships to achieve sustainable growth. And we're going to be talking about what it takes to do that through the power of HubSpot. Yamini Rangan, the CEO of HubSpot and the executive leadership team, just hopped off the stage moments ago here at the Boston Convention Center after giving an hour-long presentation and overview on all the amazing updates that are happening with HubSpot. So I'm going to be walking through a presentation of some of those highlights, literally hot off the presses. All of this was announced within the last hour here in Boston. So let's talk about some of the things that we learned today. And the theme is Inbound 22, building the future of CRM with HubSpot. So there are three things that it takes to build a future-oriented CRM strategy for your company. It takes customization, it takes developer capabilities, and it takes data management and quality. So we need to be able to customize a platform to our needs. We need to be able to develop solutions on it, and we need to manage our data effectively so it stays clean and accurate so we can build and generate profitable business relationships. In order to do that, here are some of the amazing things that are coming out in the HubSpot platform, many of which are absolutely already available in the product, and that as an elite partner, we've been alpha testing and beta testing for a number of months now. So all of the user experience components in HubSpot are dramatically moving in the direction of customization. We have new overview tab capabilities. We can now create custom tabs with specific components. We call them CRM extension cards. And they now allow us to code new application capabilities inside the card. We can configure what we call board view cards. Those of you who come from the industrial world, you recall these are like Kanban cards on a board view display. We're now able to configure and control what information displays on those cards. Again, we're talking about customize, building your CRM for your company, not just an out-of-the-box product that guesses at what you need. This is the time when HubSpot is now the solution that we can build specifically to meet your business objectives. As an elite partner with literally hundreds of certifications across our team and an average of nearly a decade of experience under our average team member's belt, we've got the capabilities to do this with you. Board card configuration. Another thing that's important is expanding how we communicate on the HubSpot platform. The ability for us to make sure that we're communicating and logging those communications across many different types. How about SMS messaging bidirectionally? How about LinkedIn messaging? How about WhatsApp and even physical mail? These are all now components, along with bidirectional inbound and outbound calling. Of course, our seamless email integration in both the Microsoft and Google environments, and seamless calendar integration. Now the CRM literally becomes the command center of your entire business communications environment, both those automated communications and those one-to-one personally written and personally created communications. It will all live in HubSpot. This is a world-class first, and it is all available natively in the platform today. We also have multiple sidebars in the HubSpot platform, and now we can configure those. We can organize the sidebars in HubSpot to show just the information and customized components you want to see. And we can organize that for teams and roles using the advanced permissioning and provisioning built into HubSpot's enterprise capabilities. In addition, HubSpot has now released what has been a long-awaited improvement and a key component, which is the ability for us to build custom objects natively in the platform and create those associations inside HubSpot. This now takes the whole platform to a completely new level, because in addition to those standard components you're expecting in a CRM, things such as contacts, such as companies, tasks, okay, things such as service tickets, all the things that are built into the software when you open the box. Now we're able to build multiple custom objects around your use case objectives and connect them together with one another and with standard objects. Making all this possible is a brand new data modeling tool built into HubSpot. This isn't a third-party tool you got to go buy. This is in the box. Okay, we can now create the data models necessary for your unique business environment inside HubSpot natively. And then talk about data quality. What's the point of building all this amazing technology and not having clean data? We've got to make sure that we validate data, that the data is accurate, that the properties are configured correctly. Let me tell you, the folks at HubSpot in the partner community, we've been saying, let's double down on building the power of the engine, okay? Let's strengthen the engine in every way we can and add all the capabilities we need to that engine. And this is the response. HubSpot has now built property validation capability throughout the platform across the board. We now have automation recommendations, literally using AI technology to help you develop and determine how better to automate business processes native inside the platform. We're talking checkbox simplicity here. We now have a command center for data quality so that we can analyze the data in terms of fields that are filled out, necessary functions, data accuracy, correct formatting, completeness, thoroughness of the records, all built in to the data quality command center and operations hub. Cleaner import capability. Let me tell you, if there's one thing our customers, like everybody in the business world, when it comes to IT that we underestimate, it's the importance of proper data structuring and data importing. And it's not an easy thing to do well. And now we've got additional tools in the toolbox, thanks to the work being done by the HubSpot team. Notice here, you'll say it says free, okay? A lot of these functions and capabilities are available in every edition of the software in every hub. Again, enterprise-wide across the platform. The CRM card builder. Oh my gosh, this is perhaps for me, one of the most exciting tools that's now been added to the toolbox. Would you like to be able to have your HubSpot partner work with you to design your own extension cards inside the system and add alerts, buttons, routings, developer custom code? Would you like to be able to add images, statuses, links, and tags, lists, and text and titles? It's all available right now in the new CRM card builder. Here's the thing. We've got to be able to do two things that seem contradictory. We have to have something easy to use, a technology that's easy to use, and we have to have a technology that's enterprise powerful. Now, HubSpot here at Inbound 22 makes both of those things simultaneously possible. We have arrived at our goal. And that goal is choose easy to use, choose powerful for the enterprise, pick two. Guess what? Today we're picking two. Built-in debugging capability for the development end of the spectrum. GitHub integration. Oh my gosh, this is going to make it so much easier to do rapid development of applications and custom solutions on the platform. Development sandboxes. Absolutely a critical tool. We've already been using it. It's outstanding. Customization of your goals, resources, and capabilities across the system. Again, what do we say the three objectives were this year? Customize the CRM, provide developer tools, protect and enhance data quality and data accuracy. And of course, make that all possible in an integrated platform that provides communication across every channel that we have today, and inbound calling, outbound calling now natively supported 100% inside HubSpot. In addition, there were actually a lot of functional updates that I haven't even focused on today. Things like additional ad conversion event capabilities and other services. Check out this new analytics capability, customer journey analytics, now available in enterprise. This is amazing. Okay. You ever wonder Whether your traditional model of attribution is outdated, guess what? I don't care what model you have, it is outdated. It doesn't matter that one person did one thing, it matters the collection of the activities that they engaged in. I always remind clients, don't look at your trade shows or your other events or your webinars and say, was that successful on its own? The question is, do we have the right collection of ingredients to make the salad of success? Now, customer journey analytics makes that possible and visual in a beautiful tapestry. Okay. Make sure your data that you're syncing between HubSpot and other applications is healthy and accurate. In order to do this, you got to have that. In order to do customer journey analysis accurately, you've got to have healthy data coming from other systems and platforms, as well as healthy data inside HubSpot. So in summary, 3 key themes this year at Inbound 22, friends. Number 1, customizable CRM. Literally, it is absolutely gloves off. We have the most customizable, most powerful platform in the market now. Number 2, developer tools and capabilities. A full range of developer tools, an entire toolkit for database development, application development, for customization of user experience, for connectivity with other applications through the API library and private applications, through GitHub integration, all of these tools for developers. And theme number 3, we need to put clean data in and keep clean data going in HubSpot. This is a database after all. In order to accurately run your business, you got to have accurate data. HubSpot now makes all 3 of those things possible. This has been an absolutely amazing event. The changes taking place today will set the standard for the future of enterprise CRM technology. If your B2B business is looking to sell, market, or serve customers more effectively, please let the team at Wendt Partners know we are here to help you utilize HubSpot to the best of your capabilities with the powerful tools we've seen today. Again, I'm Doug Wendt, sharing with you live from the HubSpot Solutions Partner Hub here on the 2nd floor of the Boston Convention Center, bringing you the latest updates from the show floor here at Inbound 22. Thank you for joining me, and we look forward to helping you on your HubSpot journey.